Hi, it's Ronnie, and welcome to my channel and to the Saturday Stash Dive. And the collection I'm using today is Echo Park, and it's from 2018. So it's not as old as some of my stash dives. This was actually created at the Redefined Creative Winter. No, it was the summer Stash Bash. And yeah, I put it in the folder. Well, all of them, and I couldn't find them. I knew they were there somewhere, so they never did get a voiceover. And this is also from my old camera, my other camera, and so it's not as clear. Well, the last clip is from the new one because I went ahead and added some Wink Stella at the end, and so the last clip is from the new camera. And you will see a difference when you see that clip. But I thought I'd warn you all, and I was debating whether to even voice over them and use them since it was from the old camera, but I had several people tell me go ahead and do it, so I am. I am following Khristina on this, and so I took a lot of me just sitting there looking at the screen off, and here you were supposed. I started out with what I had planned to use. Well, then she said it was best if you had a sheet of paper that had text on it so you could continue from one block to the next. So then I had to go get this paper out of the collection, and it has great words on it. My picture has the girls blowing bubbles, and when I was little I thought bubbles was like magical. I really love blowing them, and I've always had them here at the house for the kids to blow. Did not take very many pictures. Why, I don't know, but yeah, I've got bubbles here right now. So I could have a kid here blowing bubbles and me taking a picture. But I have these pictures. Well, there's more than one, but I'm going to put them in both girls' album, of course. And I will start my photo on the right-hand side. You know, that was my first intentions. But I'll quickly move it to the left because the right-hand side has words like magical, fairy tales, wish, and stardust kisses, and may your wish come true. And I thought, oh, I wanted to make sure those showed up. Some of the words on the other side are like once upon a time, believe in fairy tales, Prince Charming, and stuff like that. And I thought the right hand side went better with my photos. So the picture will be on the left. And right now I'm putting mixed media on my layout. And we were supposed to use bubble wrap. We're supposed to make sure we had some bubble wrap. That was one of the reasons I picked this picture out to use, was because I knew we were going to be using bubble wrap. And I wanted some bubbles to show up from my bubble wrap on my mixed media. And they kind of sort of do. And I wanted to look kind of misty and mystical and, you know, stuff like that. And I pulled this stamp out, and it's a double heart set. And then the ink is VersaFine, and it's a really light mint green, and it's kind of shimmery, not really glittery, but shimmery. And I wanted to put it on there before the other mixed media dried so that it would have a mystical look, you know, like it was misty still. And it's what gave me the idea of using the Wink Stella later and adding more to my mixed media area. And it's, if you've never used a Wink Stella, it's a really thin, I can't talk, thin line of glitter. And I'm going over the hearts with it, and then I'm going to, anything that curved, I'm going to add some to. But right now I put the title on there, and that stickers at the top is called Wonder, I believe. But the one at the bottom, I can't remember the name of it, but it sure did go with princesses, I thought. Plus, it has glitter, but then it has a bubble over the top. And I thought, I have never used this, and it'd go great with my bubble layout. So, yeah, I used the word bubbles, and it only has like 2 letters of each. Well, the B only had 2, and I needed 3. So I used 2 of the letter P to make my B. And it worked, and I put it at the front since it don't exactly look like the other 2. And it has a lot longer tail coming off of it, and I didn't have room for it in the middle. And I'm using my viewfinder because I got to thinking I'd like to put some flowers in the bottom left-hand corner. I'm not going to put all the way over though. And I'm going to add the viewfinder, but then the flowers are going to be on it, kind of like a trellis or a wagon wheel, and kind of growing up it a little bit. And I'm not going to put too much. I'm going to stop before the whole thing's covered. You can still see it. That was part of the thing I wanted to do. And I also found a butterfly, so I put it on there too. But I'm getting close to getting to the end. Yeah, I'm going to put my sequins on there. And I use my Prima ones because they're all glittery and, bubbles and glitter. And you can see the bubbles in the photo pretty good. So I thought, well, the sequins going up through the layout. And then my Wink of Stella, and I will be done. But yeah, this was a pretty good layout. I had fun making it. And I liked adding those panels and having the words go all the way across and making sure I got them in order after I cut them. But yeah, that's it. That's my layout. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today. And if you leave a comment below, I'll get back with you. And if you like the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. And those of you already are, thank you so much. But yeah, there's my wagon wheel. And you can't see the Wink of Stella as much there as I would have liked. Oh, this is that border across the top. And I cropped it down so it was just the border. And so it don't have much to scroll through. So it's going the whole length of it. And yeah, you can't see my Wink of Stella very good there either. I wasn't even noticing that when I took the pictures. I was sure it would show up. But it shows up really good on the layout. But I hope y'all have a happy, scrappy week. Take care and stay safe. Bye.